Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the important question in the chapter internal trade. The first question, what is meant by internal trade? The internal trade means that to buying and selling of goods and services within a boundary of a nation. Now next question, state the characteristic of fixed shop retailer. The answer for this question is the characteristic of fixed shop retailer are stated below. The first, the amount of capital investment and scale of operation is relatively larger as compared to the inherent retailers. The fixed retailers of exist in very wide range from very small ones to very big ones. B. They deal in wide variety of goods including consumer durable as well as non-durable goods. They enjoy greater credibility in the mind of buyer, strive to provide the greater service to them like free home delivery, guarantee, repair, credit facility, etc. Now next question. What purpose is served by the wholesaler providing the warehousing facilities? The answer for this question, the wholesaler provide the warehousing facility as they keep ready stock of goods in their godown and warehouse. This helps to reduce the burden of the manufacturer of arranging for the storage facilities for the finished product. Next, how does market information provided by wholesaler benefit the manufacturers? The right answer is the market information provided by wholesaler benefit the manufacturer by facilitating the better product design and development. The expert advice may be provided by them about various aspects of marketing like the features of product liked and disliked by the customer, market condition, level of competition, etc. As wholesaler are in direct contact with retailer who in turn deal with the customer directly. Next question, how does wholesaler help manufacturer availing the economic of scale? The wholesaler facilitates the large scale production by accumulating the small order from the various retailer and making purchase in bulk quantity from the producer. Thus the wholesaler help the manufacturer to reap advantage of the economics of a scale. Next question, explain the service offered by the wholesaler to manufacturer. The various service offered by the wholesaler to manufacturer are described. First, facilitating large scale production. The wholesaler accumulate small order from the various retailer and make purchase in bulk quantity and thereby enable the producer to reap advantage of the economic of a scale. Next, bearing risks. The wholesaler bear risks of various types such as the theft, spoilage, fire, etc. as they generally keep large stock of goods in their warehouses. C. Financial assistance. The wholesaler provide assistance to the manufacturer in two ways. Firstly, generally make the cash purchase. Secondly, sometimes they pay money in advance to producer to facilitate the production. D. Expert advice. The wholesaler may provide information to the producer about various aspects of marketing like feature of the product, like and dislike by the customer, market conditions, level of competition, etc. Since they are in direct contact with the retailer who in turn deal with the customer directly. Next, help in marketing function. The wholesaler help to producer to focus on the production activities as they facilitate the distribution of goods to the number of retailers who are the directly contact with large number of wild spread buyers. Facilitate continuity. The wholesaler facilitate production of goods throughout the year as they purchase goods from the producer as they when these are produced. Next, storage of goods. The wholesaler keep ready stock of goods in their godown warehouse, thereby reducing the burden of manufacturer of arranging for storage facility for finished product. Thank you.